a toddler was able to climb inside a washing machine while his mother was not looking, and got stuck. His mum spent half an hour trying desperately to free the crying 3-year-old, before eventually calling firemen in the China's central city of Suzhou. But they were not able to free the boy, called Peng, from the washing machine, and had to rip it apart using an angle grinder and hydraulic rescue gear. The toddler was reunited with his tearful mother, Qian Tien, who was very thankful that she didn't scold him, although she will require a new machine as the old piece was reduced to scrap.